Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to make a birthday video on Canva. This is a fun and creative way to celebrate someone special with a professional-looking video. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, let's say we want to create a birthday video. All we need to do is go to Templates. Once we are in Templates, we just need to click on Video and then type Birthday in the search bar. We can now see birthday video options to choose from. All we have to do is pick the one we like best. For example, we can click Customize Template on this one. Once we are in the editor, all we need to do is make our changes. We can update the text, the videos, or anything else we want to change to match our needs. We can edit as much as we like, including the wording and colors. When we are happy with everything, all we need to do is click Share and then download. And that's how we make a birthday video on Canva. It's quick, easy, and a great way to make someone feel special.